Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be showing you how my begonia cuttings are getting on. These were started off in water and then they've been placed in a mixture of perlite and peat-based compost. So that's perlite and peat-based compost. As you can see, looking really well. Look at that, that will produce a lovely tuber by the end of the year, that. And this one, I think this is one of the white ones, this one. Well, it might be that one. As you can see, it's sending out some really nice new shoots. These have been in the propagator. They like it, that humid environment. So yeah, those three there, as you can see, looking absolutely magnificent. If you need any help or advice on how to grow begonias from cuttings, please don't hesitate to message me. I'll be pleased to get back to you as soon as I can. And yeah, I find the best method is to take a leaf off, like something like that, from there, place it in water, and then usually within 3 or 4 weeks you've got roots developed. And then I mix perlite and compost, place them in there. If I just put in peat compost, you do get a lot that actually die off on you, which is not very good. So yeah, so with mixing that in, it just seems to help them get over that stage. I'll just show you where I've been keeping them. In here, in my heated propagator, as you can see, I've got it set to 22, and they love it in there. Nice moist environment. As you can see, I'm growing some here. These are what I've grown from seed. These also love it in here. So yeah, this is the last begonia cutting video. Yeah, as you can see, nice root system out the bottom. One as well. So yeah, I had 1 die on me. So out of 4, 3 have taken, which I think is a pretty good success rate. So if you've got any questions about begonia cuttings, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Have a good day. Thank you very much. Bye.